really nice view. I've not seen crested this close for a while. Really nice close crested tip. They're breeding at this time of year, so nice to get a really close view. So enjoy this view.
Conservation plan.
Just poking its head out from behind the rock. So there's a ptarmigan showing nicely, it's just popping its head up over the ridge there. You can see it's a male, it's showing quite well, it's popping up, showing nicely now. Ptarmigan here, much closer, really nice view of this really close ptarmigan here. Showing really nicely. Fabulous. Three dotterel on the hillside there, nice view, just moving left as they go across the hill there. You can see the male's a little bit paler than the female. The female's got that lovely chestnut on the belly. Oh, really nice view. So we're looking at a couple of females here at least and a male, and so it's the males that incubate, so the females are here and they lay the eggs. It's been amazing. I've kind of seen dotterel like this in their natural habitat. It's just fabulous. Yeah. Oh, just ahead of us here, on the left-hand side of the road, just on the grass here. Unbelievable. It's red grouse, just right by the side of the road. And I think it's going to cross. I think it's even going to cross the road. Yeah, there he goes, just sneaking across the road in front of us. That's ridiculous.